In this video, I'll show you how to use the ElevenLabs Voice Changer in 2026. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to ElevenLabs. Log in to your account and open the Voice Changer tool from the available audio tools. The Voice Changer is designed to transform a recorded voice into another voice while keeping important characteristics of the original performance, such as the way you speak and the emotion in your delivery. To get started, prepare a short voice recording that you want to transform. For the best results, record in a quiet environment and try to speak clearly. Avoid excessive background noise whenever possible. Next, upload your recording to the Voice Changer tool. Depending on the current ElevenLabs interface and your plan, you may have different options for selecting or applying a voice. Choose the voice you want to use for the transformation. Think about the style of your project when selecting a voice. A professional voice may work well for presentations, while a more expressive voice may be useful for creative content. After selecting your
Hello,
voice,
everyone.
start the transformation process. ElevenLabs will process your recording and generate a new version using the selected voice.